Remember when you were a kid and you had dreams about traveling around the world and going on crazy adventures? That used to be me. And right now, we're about to go on one of those adventures.
Today, I'm flying 17 hours down south to the country of Argentina in South America. I came to find the place where one of the most famous logos in the world come from. But to get here, I had to hop on another plane and fly 4 hours down south to a small little town located on the edge of the Andes Mountains. I hopped on a bus and drove 3 hours into the mountains to a town that barely had internet. Woke up at 3 a.m. the next morning to hike 25 kilometers up a mountain because...
So, see this logo right here? That's literally right there. That? Right here.
Now follow for tomorrow's adventure video.